Usembut Menteri Rangba Kejelau Bekmi Ketenat Urban Affairs Subak Sniawbhalang Dhar, Uloong Baun Leit ban Jurip ya kejingya ceprang jong projek beper Haniu Shillong Township, hakalai pau tarik unaitung. Hadirin balayo jintip bakat tu kat ni ki projek kidang ya suki. Uloong bawat labun ki projek kila ya ceprang. Henry Don kat tu kat ni ki badang emla ban pendep kat kum kepor palabu. Shushu sembut Menteri Rangba uloong bekila yo jingtip nak office Menteri Rangba badon kat tu kat ni ki projek ki badang ya suki badai nak ni kadaw ukwa banet Jurip bad ban betha iki kontraktor bakin penkloy ya kekam. Habakeli halor kadaw jong jing slam uloong bekejing hak slap ke bajur Meghalaya kadai kadaw ke bakrab namar bakapor ke bala ban trekam keduna.
Most all the projects. So yes, some of the project is in good progress, and yes, few project it seemed little bit slow. So I have already fixed a date. Tentatively, I'll visit on the 30th of July again by myself. So we'll try to monitor it. We'll request them to be speed project at the earliest possible. I have received some information from the same office. Few of the project is slow, mean not that much slow, but it seems they are unable to respond as per time. So I think we from the Urban Affairs Department, I plan to visit on 30th whole day to that as of today. So we request the conductor, the personal conductor to follow immediately with their respective project. Point number one, Meghalaya is a rainy place. And the working season is very slow, very less, maximum 6 to 7 months. So maybe that is one reason. Because in term of payment there is no delay, we give them payment timely. So they said the reason is one reason that it seems this year rain is a little bit disturbed. So maybe that is one reason. So we will try to coordinate with the conductor accordingly. And the clause is different from tender to tender. Not the same clause for all the projects. So obviously clause will be there. If the conductor is delayed, there will be penalties. If they simply delay for no reason, obviously they have to face the penalty clauses. Penalty clauses is different from one tender agreement to the other tender agreement. No, you see, amounts no problem. One is always fair. And if they delay beyond time, so that they have to seek renewal for the project. But as of now, all the projects are still within time limit. But the only thing that it seems some projects are a bit slow.